what is up? Cassie, say hi. Hey, say hi. Okay, we're not. Now, last video we did the dog thing legit. But now we're going to do Mickey Mouse. Right, Cassidy? Mickey Mouse. I mean, no, Minnie Mouse. Whatever. That's the inside of the house. And then the outside of the house. And then we barely have any of the little pieces left. There's a couch. And then there's supposed to be stairs in here and here. And yeah, we can't find. Okay, wait, Cassie. Show them your Mickey. Show them it. Show them it. See, there's her Mickey that she got from Disney World. And then let's find the next Mickey. Yeah, she calls him Mickey instead of Minnie. Well, here's a Mickey. That's not a Minnie, it's just a Mickey. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Pet Doc.
Oh, Pet Doc. We are in that video now. We need to find some Minnies. Just wait a second. Okay, sorry guys, we can't find any more Minnies for the video. So we're gonna have to end it. Casty, you gotta say bye. Say bye. Cassidy, hey, say bye.